चलो, रेडी? 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode of the Shosha podcast. My name is Abhijit Bhatt and with me is team Shosha, Shweta Rashmi and Soumya Sharma. और आज हम बात करेंगे एक बहुत ही अलग फिल्म के बारे में जिसका नाम है AK vs AK, directed by Vikramaditya Motwane, starring one AK called Anurag Kashyap and the other AK called Anil Kapoor.
My question is for Anurag sir. How can we make it big into the industry like you?
You can't unless your surname is Kapoor.
फिल्म की कहानी है अनुराग कश्यप और अनिल कपूर के बारे में. एज द नेम सजेस्ट्स, अनुराग कश्यप इज प्लेइंग अ वेरी डिसग्रंटल्ड डायरेक्टर जो खार खाकर अनिल कपूर की बेटी सोनम कपूर को एक्चुअली में किडनैप कर लेते हैं, देन गिव्स अनिल कपूर अ कपल ऑफ आवर्स कि भैया हो सके तो अपनी बेटी को बचा लो ढूंढ करके. एंड ऑल दिस व्हाइल ही इज रिकॉर्डिंग अनिल कपूर्स एंटायर ऑर्डील.
सोनम कपूर लापता है, आपको उसे ढूंढना है सुबह सूरज उगने तक. इसमें जो भी होगा असली. आप उसे खोजोगे असली, आपको चोट लगेगी वो भी असली, आप रोगे तो वो भी असली, आप हंसोगे तो वो भी. हंसी नहीं आएगी.
अब मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि भैया ये फिल्म बन तो गई पर ये आइडिया पिच कैसे किया गया और ये आइडिया अप्रूव कैसे हो गया. क्या ये आइडिया अच्छा था? क्या फाइनल प्रोडक्ट अच्छा बन के आया? लेट मी आस्क माय टीममेट्स. श्वेता, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द मूवी?
Fun fact, I think I read somewhere that it actually took 7 years for Vikramaditya Motwane to, sort of work on this entire idea. So I'm pretty sure में काफी time effort गया है. And from what I can sense after watching the film and what I felt was that all of that has not gone waste. And he was successful in spending all that time and giving all that, effort and everything. Because my first expression of the film right from the very beginning was that I was very excited for it, for also because of the actors, more also because of the director. And we see the promotional strategies also. It was just too much fun to see all of these people, just both of them, fighting and all of that. So uski wajah se I think it just became like super interesting right from the very beginning, and I was not disappointed even after watching the film. So yeah, thumbs up from me.
All right, Soumya, is it thumbs up from you or limca from your side? What is it?
It's definitely a big thumbs up from my side too.
On that
Oh, nice.
So it was. I thoroughly enjoyed the movie, and firstly, for the madcap, ambitious decision to make a movie like this in India. I mean, this is an introduction to meta cinema, which is another area of film wherein the lines between fiction and reality blur. And Hollywood mein we have movies like Cabin in the Woods, Man with a Camera, and Monty Python with Holy Grail. India mein we didn't have any movie like this. But thodi we had introductions with Luck by Chance and Fan, which were about a star and Bollywood in itself. But this decision and ambitious जो इन्होंने पूरा mounting करा, and all of it was a great decision, and execution was very good too. So definitely I loved it. It was brilliant. Yes.
Yeah, that's what I was very surprised by. मतलब ट्रेलर में आपको जितना दिख रहा है ना, जितना ये ओवर एम्बिशियस लग रहा है ट्रेलर में, the film is actually very very good. Like वो पागलपन इतना सही ट्रांसेंड हुआ है फिल्म में that I was very surprised. और इस फिल्म का मेटा ह्यूमर भाई अलग लेवल पे. इस फिल्म का मेटा ह्यूमर, लाइक अगर आप इसमें मेटा ह्यूमर ढूंढने जाओ तो आपको हर सीन में एक मेटा ह्यूमर मिलेगा. देयर इज हर्षवर्धन कपूर इन द फिल्म हु इज टेकिंग डिग्स एट हिमसेल्फ. आई थिंक हर्षवर्धन कपूर ने सबसे अच्छी एक्टिंग इसी में करी है. आई थिंक दिस शुड हैव बीन हिज डेब्यू रादर देन मिर्जिया, because he is really good in this film. So talking about meta humor, like let me ask you guys something. Like तो कभी भी like does it succeed as a I'm just trying to categorize this film. Like would it be called a mockumentary? Would it be called fiction? Would it be called reality TV? What would you guys bracket this film in? It's a very weird genre. Like what do you think, Shweta?
I think I don't want to categorize it into just one particular thing, because there are just so many elements and so many layers in it. Okay? And just the fact that how Vikramaditya Motwane sort of made sure that Anurag and Anil were comfortable with going into all of these complexities and all of these paradoxes, which I don't know if they would be comfortable in talking about it honestly, but the way this self-deprecating humor, if I may say so, जिस तरह से उन्होंने वो दिखाया है, that is just so much fun. And you know, like I don't want to categorize it into just one thing and say that this is what it is and put it in a box like that. It's just so many things that's happening. You know, I was just there. There's like a lot of twists and turns also that happens, and I was like, what? And I really get invested into stuff when that happens. So I think it was just like a mixture of all of those things, and that mixture has sort of worked pretty well for you know, the entire team.
All right, Soumya, what about you? What category of films does this fall in for you?
So that's what the thing is with these meta cinema. I mean, it's reality, it's both fiction, it has a dark humor to itself, and you can't really call it a genre in you know, for once, and you can you know, perhaps categorize it as an area of cinema जहाँ पे many different genres coincide. And and that's what these movies make a point, that they're actually a film. When you know it, you know कि ये हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा, you even know कि you know, this is not actually happening, but then still you're into it. You're like, oh shit, abhi kya hone wala hai, you know. So that's the beauty of it, and it was just great to see these this slugfest wherein, you know, they have these dark undercurrents and these big celebrities. I mean, both of them are, you know, in their respective fields, they're big names, and just warping their own image like that, you know, it was just amazing. And it was, I think it was a very audacious decision, and it was great. Yeah.
इंस्पेक्टर साहब, इसे गिरफ्तार कीजिए और पूछे मेरी बेटी कहाँ है। मैं आपके हाथ जोड़ता हूँ, भीख मांगता हूँ।
साला याला म्हणतात ऍक्टिंग.
क्या बात है, ये एक्टिंग नहीं है।
नहीं सर, ऍक्टिंग लगी नहीं रही है, सुपर हिट है.
Okay, talking about this film has a ton loads of cameos. Like, I think this is the first film where Boney Kapoor is acted. I don't know if I'm right or not, but this is the first film जब Boney Kapoor acting कर रहे हैं और काफी अच्छी acting कर रहे हैं यार. This film has cameo by Nawazuddin Siddiqui. This film has cameo by Anand Ahuja. Anand Ahuja, Sonam Kapoor's husband. He's having a cameo. So, and some really interesting one. Like, I don't want to spoil the cameos for the audience watching this, but which cameo for you guys was the best? Soumya, which cameo did you enjoy the most?
I think Nawazuddin's cameo was the best, because I mean, ये दोनों तो मतलब obviously digs ले ही रहे थे एक दूसरे के ऊपर. There were dialogues also कि तेरा नवाज करेगा ये picture, and मतलब उसको पूरा उसकी भी उतार रखी है. And call के time पे भी अनुराग बोल रहा है बाप का बदला मैंने दिया है तुझे, सब मैंने बनाया, all of these things. And I don't want to get into it a lot because, of course, spoilers. But I think Nawazuddin was the best. And fun fact, Boney Kapoor took the most number of retakes in the movie. And and that's the one time when Anil Kapoor actually lost his cool in the entire shooting of the movie.
Oh, that is funny.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. Okay, Soumya, Shweta, what about you, Shweta? Like, which cameo did you like the most?
I enjoyed the Harshvardhan cameo a lot. It was so funny. Matlab, Anil Kapoor is in the middle of finding his daughter, and ye banda, he just wants to vibe with Anurag Kashyap, and he just wants to like, bro, like, you know, let's just make a film together. It was so annoying. I was like, dude, do you understand what's happening? But then it was so much fun. Also, Anand Ahuja, even though he's not there physically, but he's just on call, and he's like, how he's just annoyed at Anil Kapoor also for not telling him what's happening, because he is worried for Sonam because he cannot find her, and then Anil Kapoor is also because he cannot really involve anyone else, like the trailer also shows. So he's also sort of, you know, trying to really find out, and he doesn't really trust Anil Kapoor, you know, कि हो सकता है कि आप बोल रहा है कि सही सलामत है, but still he's like, नहीं कहाँ है मुझे बताओ. So I don't know, I just enjoyed these two a lot, but yeah, Harshvardhan was my favorite.
And the moment when Harshvardhan said Motwane fucked me up,
my two favorite cameos were the ones that never appeared in the film.
Sorry.
Yeah, right. But no, my two favorite cameos were the ones that never appeared in the film. When Anurag Kashyap is mistaken for Anurag Basu first, and then some cops be like, "अरे अनिल कपूर साहब है और साथ में इनके साथ मधुर भंडारकर भी है." That was brilliant. I love how. Yeah, I just love how Anurag Kashyap can parody himself. I just love how Anurag Kashyap parodies himself.
Yeah.
So okay, these were the pros. Now talking about the cons. What didn't work for you in the movie? Like, what did you feel was lacking in the film, Shweta?
I think that it was a little too long. I again had a problem with the duration a little. So I thought कि कुछ चीजें थोड़ी, I don't know, like the hunt. I understand that they had to show कि how he's really into hunting for his daughter and all of that. But I really thought कि उसको थोड़ा सा crisp करा जा सकता था, जिससे कि थोड़ा interest level और बढ़ता. That is, I think, one of the main reasons why I was a little sort of distracted also at times ki why is it like taking so long, and why do we need to see all of these scenes and all. But I think it was fun. But then actually talking about one thing which I forgot to mention before, which was that Anil Kapoor's dancing on My Name is Lakhan here also, and I was like, yeah. I was so excited seeing that. And but the it's actually pretty sad. It just shows ki actors ki life, how difficult it is, even though he's going through so much, but he's the crowd out there. He has to go and he has to perform, and photos खिंचवा रहा है लोगों के साथ, promotions कर रहा है होटल की, what all he's doing, at the cost of his own life. But I think by the end of it, I really enjoyed it. But हाँ, अगर duration थोड़ा और crisp होता, तो I think I would have liked it even more.
Yeah, like I like the point that you mentioned ना कि वो celebrity होने के बाद he's promoting a hotel, he's taking photos. I think वो बहुत subtle तरीके से उसने बताया कि no matter how bad a day a celebrity is having, for the public he's just something for public consumption. Like the public doesn't care कि उसके जीवन में जिंदगी में क्या उतार चढ़ाव चल रहे हैं. They just want their
he's trying to take help from the crowd, and they're like, hey, नाच के दिखा.
Yeah, exactly. I just wanted to talk about Anil Kapoor ka energy isme. I think he just turned what, 63, 64, I think. Yeah. 64 he turned, right? Recently.
You should know. age है तो तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
You do this.
It's his birthday today.
Yeah, it's his birthday today, and he's turned, I think, 64 if I'm not wrong. 64 or 63.
He has turned 64 today.
Imagine. And ये आदमी के energy level in this films are skyrocketing. Like Ranveer Singh multiplied by 10 is what Anil Kapoor is in this film. Like he's running throughout the film, he's dancing, the energy in his dialogue delivery. This man is just so full of energy, and hats off to him for portraying this character with so much zeal and enthusiasm. But yes, moving on to Soumya, what? Yeah, so Soumya, what did you?
That even those scenes outside Grand Road Station when he's almost panting and when he's just running around and he did all of those retakes again and again, and it's just amazing because वो handheld shots थे, single shots, 8 minutes के long sequences थे, and he did all of those retakes again and again. I saw it in one of the interviews, and it's just amazing. Coming to the cons of the movies. Although I loved this movie, it was almost flawless for me, but there were two things that I felt. One was Anil Kapoor at a few places he obliged people with selfies even though when it was not required. Like even if even in the scenes when he didn't have to lure someone or get any help from them, tabhi bhi he was just stopping for 1 second. I mean that was a little bit unrealistic. That's one. And another scene was one coordinator at Crescent Hotel, that sequence, that person was a little rude. That's what I felt. I mean, eventually he's a star. I mean, no matter how busy she must be, but that was a little rude. So that's another thing. These are just two minor flaws that I felt were there.
I want to mention something. So, जो उसने first point what you said about he's sort of taking selfies with people, but that's what the life of a star is, that you have to make people happy even though he's going. That is exactly what I was trying to say before this, that he's really going through a lot of shit right there, but he cannot really tell anybody about it. Secondly, he doesn't want to ruin his reputation also as a star. So sometimes you do see people, all these videos that come on YouTube कि इसने अपने fan को ये बोला, इसने ये बोला, इसने ये करा, and all of that. And then because I don't know when I am going to meet a star again in my life. मैं अनिल कपूर से पहली बार मिल रही हूँ, हो सकता है ये आखिरी बार हो. So I'm going to try each and everything in my power to get a selfie with him. And if he's trying to snub me off, so obviously I'll be like, dude, what happened? And my all the love and admiration for him will just go down the drain. So I think that is perhaps the fear that stars also have, ki they have to be on their A game all the time and their best behavior all the time, and they have to sort of oblige their fans with selfies and all of that. So I think that is what. But one thing was that he was not like, smiling too much
But
and
हाँ वही था.
standing there and just
हाँ, मुझे वही लग रहा था कि when a time bomb is ticking like that, तो वो मुझे लग रहा था कि जहाँ पे मतलब when he can get something in exchange of help है, तब तो मतलब of course he had to वो that scene वो वहाँ पे Crescent Hotel में when he kind of promotes it, पूरा वो करता है, that was just amazing. But बाकी जगह पे मेरे को थोड़ा वही लग रहा था कि यार I mean है star, of course I get your point, but वही लग रहा था कि जब टाइम ऐसे निकल रहा हो और तुम्हारी लिटरली बहुत बुरी हालत हो रही है, तब would you actually stop for a selfie for random people on the road? That's again a dichotic question.
Yeah, he could have also sort of retaliated and been like, चिल्ला विल्ला सकता था crowd पे या लोगों को.
But that would have gone viral too. That's right.
Yeah, so उसने हर moment पे he tried his best to sort of make his fans happy. कहाँ पर भी कहीं पे मिल रहा है, चाहे वो स्टेज पे खड़े होके डांस करना हुआ या सेल्फीज लेना हुआ या कुछ भी हुआ. So I think both of the things kind of make sense.
True. मेरे लिए the one thing that didn't work was actually Anurag Kashyap का sense of motivation to go after Anil Kapoor, because when the movie started, अनिल कपूर ने ऐसा कुछ बिगाड़ा नहीं बेचारे का यार. मतलब मैं वही सोच रहा था कि उस बंदे ने कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं जिससे अनुराग कश्यप ना टिक ऑफ हो जाए. मतलब टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, अनुराग कश्यप स्टार्टिंग से ही वाज बीइंग वेरी मीन टू अनिल कपूर and suddenly it's just escalated and I didn't get it. Like, so thoda sa maybe Anurag ka sense of motivation और strong होना चाहिए था. While watching this I was wondering that Shah Rukh Khan की जो fan film आई थी ना, that should have been like this, but minus the humor, but with all the darkness and all the maniac behavior. But having said that, what does work for you for the film, for you guys? What did work for you?
One more thing, one fun fact. So Shahid Kapoor was actually supposed to play the main lead role in this one initially, and Meera Rajput was the person who had to be kidnapped in जब ये पहले they were rolling the movie. But when Anil Kapoor का when he stepped in, there's an interesting history. So there's this movie called Alvin Kali Charan, जिसका reference movie में भी है काफी बार.
Yeah.
So this movie was, I don't know, around I might be around 2008 या कभी. So this was Anurag's dream project.
2003.
Yeah,
2003.
sometime in 2000. So this was one of his dream projects, and he was Anil Kapoor was supposed to star in it, but eventually उसने मना कर दिया. He had cold feet. Apparently, that's what was reported. And that kind of served as a reference in this movie, and it was long fueled in this one. So I think that might be a motivation, but it didn't show up very very brightly in the movie, because I knew this, so I knew कि अच्छा ये हो सकता है तब से चल रहा हो. But you're right, वो इतना ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से clearly बताया नहीं है movie में.
Everybody else might not know this, so
yeah, exactly. Right.
Okay, but then what all worked for you guys in the film? Like, Shweta, what did you like the most? Like, what were the elements that worked really well for you in the film?
Number one, the story, of course, because it's very fresh. It's not like a run of the mill kind of story. Ki, "Achha, theek hai, ye ho raha hai, wahi ho raha hai." It's very fresh. It's very new. It still had its moments and elements of surprise. And like I said, I was like shocked and surprised at multiple points in the film. So I think that sort of made it very enjoyable. Vikramaditya Motwani is a star, man. I mean, he's just amazing. I've enjoyed all his work, and this is yet again one of his amazing performances that I've enjoyed yet again. So that also the cameos, like we've all sort of talked about it. So that sort of like whenever you see someone apart from the star cast, you also get like, oh, ye bhi is film mein, oh, ye bhi. So that thing also was like a starstruck sort of a thing that happened. One thing also I want to mention is that of Yogita Behani, who is playing the role of the person who is recording everything. So she is actually a TV actress. And she's also doing a couple of shows with Ekta Kapoor right now. This film I think was shot a little before all of this, but yeah, she's pretty popular. And then when I saw her, because uska face zyada nahi dikhaya hai throughout the film, because she's behind the camera, of course. But then when I saw it and when they were taking his name, I was like, I think I know her. And then when I looked it up, and I was like, oh, this is Yogita, and she's actually a very nice actor. Let me tell you that. So I think her performance also sort of, because she's a very important part in the film. She's not like just sidey. she is also a very important part in the film. So I think that was also one of the performances that I want to mention and like sort of put it out there. So I think all of these factors more or less were the reasons why I enjoyed the film.
All right, Soumya, what about you? What are the elements that worked for you?
Loads of them. So firstly, the fact that they were completely ready to get completely naked, and the fact that they didn't go for the obvious things, but actually the soft spots. I mean, in one of the dialogues, जहाँ पे Anil Kapoor actually says कि तो Anurag, where he compares Anurag Kashyap to Martin Scorsese. I can't say the dialogue because it has a few abuses in it.
Yeah.
But he compares him to Martin Scorsese, whereas I mean it is common knowledge that Taxi Driver is, I mean he said it in many interviews that Taxi Driver actually inspired him to become a writer and make movies, and that Gangs of Wasseypur was an ode to Goodfellas, so these things, so they actually went for the spots that are actually very dear to them. So that's one. Then apart from that, the fact that all these stars, many of them have these catchphrases, and how people don't look beyond them. I mean, every time Anil Kapoor showed up in the crowd, so everyone would just go Jhakas and my name is Lakhan, and they didn't go beyond them. So that was another thing that I really liked. Then a few dialogues like Daniel ka Day-Lewis ho gaya, there is blood. I absolutely burst out laughing when I heard that. Plus the ending, I can't say a lot about it, but वो भी मुझे ending वाला scene भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. So these are a few things that I enjoyed a lot in the movie. Yeah, the humor was the best thing in the movie. I mean, it was just amazing. Also, one more thing. So about the soft spots that I mentioned. So Anurag's name was also embroiled in the whole Me Too thing, although it never got proven and everything. But starting में भी एक छोटा सा dig लेता है अनिल कपूर जब बोलता है कि तुम अभी क्या बोलते हैं graduate हो के अभी girlfriend बन गई हो या नहीं. So these are some floating rumors. So he actually took them also. I mean, this is a very very big thing for any director or actor.
He also has a dialogue कि तेरी दो शादियां नहीं चली और मेरा 40 साल का career.
Yeah.
I was like, oh god, it's just amazing. I mean, all these soft spots that they took now, it was just great. Yeah, it was just amazing.
Yeah. I liked how when he's
I mean, I love
when
how
he's
they're okay with sort of taking digs at each other, like बहुत subtle तरीके से करते हैं. ऐसे भी नहीं कि the humor is loud and screaming humor. It's subtle tone. So sorry, I'm saying something.
No, I just loved the scene where Anil Kapoor is threatening Anurag Kashyap in his vanity van and he goes कि Anurag मैं बता रहा हूँ मेरे अंदर के चेंबूर को मत जगा. I was like, I don't know why I found that really funny the way Anil Kapoor says it, ना, like बिल्कुल menacing तरीके से, like he means business. So and a lot of meta humor in this film, like with every scene, every dialogue, like when Harshvardhan Kapoor is screaming कि ए विक्रमादित्य मोटवानी ने बर्बाद कर दिया मेरे को भावी जोशी बना के, अनुराग भावी जोशी 2 बनाएंगे, all that. It really takes a lot of guts to take that kind of humor on yourself, and hats off to all the actors who could do that so seamlessly in this film. So last thoughts, would you guys recommend it to the peoples around you? अगर star award देने चाहें तो आप इस फिल्म को कितने star देना चाहेंगे? Shweta, Rashmi, what about you? How many stars will you give this film?
First of all, my last thoughts are that only one thing that I want to say is that I love Anil Kapoor. I'm putting this on record and I mean it with all my heart, because we see all these new generation actors and we're like, oh, Kartik Aaryan is nice, Varun Dhawan is nice. Anil Kapoor is Anil Kapoor, you guys. Nothing can.
True, absolutely true. Yeah.
He is amazing. I just want to swear a lot right now, but he's just really amazing. He's
what a player.
He's just amazing, and by the end of the film, I was just like, yes, Team Anil. I was always on Team Anil, and I think I love Anil Kapoor, and I think I also really enjoyed Anurag's performance, surprisingly, which I was like, maybe I will not enjoy it as much, but I did enjoy it. So I think that is one thing that we all should sort of, take note of as well. But for me, I would want to like sincerely go out there and recommend this to everybody out there. This is a very different, one of a kind film, जो कि पहले नहीं बनी है, so it's definitely very different. also for all the Anil Kapoor fans out there, you have to watch it. And for everybody who doesn't like Anil Kapoor, you will start liking him, I'm sure, after this one, because he's amazing. So yeah,
True.
thumbs up from me, and I think I would want to give it like a 3.5 on the 5.
Okay, great. Talking of cameos, one very important cameo we left was that of Anurag Kashyap's real parents, who make a cameo in
Yeah,
this film.
right.
So watch out for them. I won't give out the spoilers because they play a very integral part in the film, but do watch out for them. They have an interesting cameo. So Soumya, what about you? Lasting thoughts and how many stars?
Of course, definitely. I mean, this would make to the list of top 10 movies of the year, definitely for me. And I would recommend it, and just sit there and enjoy all these choicest of explicits, and it's just amazing. Definitely, you should watch it. I mean, this is introduction to a new kind of cinema that's not in India a lot, that we don't get to see in India. So definitely, and I would give it a 4.5 rating out of 5. It was near perfect for me.
Okay, great. Awesome. So I agree with you both, and I think the film is phenomenally good. It's a very, very, very entertaining film. So do not miss it. Watch it on Netflix. It's streaming right now. Watch it ASAP. I'm telling you, it's 1 hour 50 minutes long, and you're gonna have a great time. And I personally would like to go with 4 out of 5 stars, and it's really good. And you, like Shweta rightly said, if you're not an Anil Kapoor fan, you will become one after you watch this film. Also, you might also become Harshvardhan Kapoor fan if you want, which is a high probability. But yeah. So that was our review of the film AK versus AK, which is streaming now on Netflix. कोई भी अगर आपको शिकायत हो इस रिव्यू से या फिर आप तारीफ करना चाहें इस रिव्यू की, feel free to write us in the comment section. Please बताइए. और जैसे कि मैं बार बार कहता रहता हूँ, आप सजेशन दे नहीं रहे हैं, मैं फिर भी कहूंगा कि कोई भी शादी का वीडियो, बर्थडे पार्टी, मुंडन, म्यूजिक वीडियो, कोई भी होम वीडियो, कोई 3GP वीडियो, MP4 फॉर्मेट भी हमें कोई परहेज नहीं है. कोई भी फॉर्मेट का वीडियो आप अगर चाहें कि हम रिव्यू करें, do let us know in the comment section. This is me, Abhijit Bhatt, and signing off with Shweta Rashmi and Soumya Sharma. This is Team Shosha saying bye-bye, take care, and a very happy new year to all. And Merry Christmas also. Yes, stay safe and stay happy. We'll see you next time.